Alright, when me have to put the condom in the back, is it? And think it's going to.
Where are the condom in that church?
And me have one.
You don't sell pasta.
Wait, Bekinta. And me have one.
What you say?
You can't leave a friend and have a man up the phone, man.
How you know say she have a man?
Unless I'm a lesbian.
Girl, they want real man who eat real blood clot food. See all the real food they where you eat and you run down in all the cocky root. Them things that the girl they want.
Well, pay for that million.
Like how much?
You know, and determine some money where you have in a bank. No, a girl sell not.
How much should I sell a fuck for if a girl buy a fuck for you?
I wouldn't buy that sell no fuck. A contract, you have a sign.
How much? Like how much contract?
You have that a million in a bank.
Like how much?
$1 million lower.
And how long you animal fuck for that?
Well, just 6 months.
6 months? For $1 million US? I say you're cocky special.
No, special about money no buy nothing.
What do you mean a US dollar that in a G?
Well, change that blood how much you have to buy, how much you come down for you and wheel and barracuda.
Boom!
Peanut them there. Where peanut them there?
No man, when you see peanut, you ask for peanut. You don't see none, you know.
Only jet there. Jet there.
No mad to hey, you me say Tony. Hey. The boy they have been paid, you know. And we wearing bumbo cloth to me, you know. He might turn camera upon me. Just to get views. I like him, you know.
Yo, Tommy.
Yeah, when I get views, give man something out there, brother.
Every way man see me, the man ready to turn camera upon me like me a cartoon. Don't do that, man.
Oh, you're a superstar, brother.
Don't do that bumbo cloth, man. I don't like you and you want your right?
Brother, man.
No. What you say?
Condom and wipes to the fucker girl them out there. Big Bird, $1 million foreigner. Scotty, put on your mask. Alright, Big Bird, $1 million foreigner. Carlton Campbell Ground. I don't want to call no names. We just came here.
What you selling?
Condom, wipes, lubricant, Mataran, Craven Air to the fucker girl them. Tonight, we only made $100.
Which way there?
Up at Cali's Beach House Hotel. See what kind of money spending on this party. Diamond League 2 Hennessy.
Where will they call?
Back Road, Portmore, Port Henderson, Big Bird, $1 million foreigner. You don't give a fuck about Scotty, but we do. Shout out to number 18. Scotty. Live for TikTok. Scotty said no. So we take over the camera. Big Bird, $1 million foreigner. We just want to shave and trim right now. Since the pet come suspension, all now we can't shave and trim. Shout out to your girlfriend. She can't stop smiling. Baby, free condom for you. She can't make the fuck out of see. Free condom for you, baby. No, she said no, she won't use no condom. Get her, your girl, she can't stop smiling. Yeah, you know?
Wonderful. Yeah, a medium Spragado from North Avenue, but it's still in for give me a control. Yes, pretty lady, are you coming home? Can you take a trip in the Spragga zone? Home alone, I alone is at my home. Oh, pretty lady, me say, can you come home? Can you take a trip in my zone? Want you, I need you, wanna hold you, want squeeze you, wanna give sweet love to you. Thing I wanna do, show you that my loving is true. I'm true to you, I'm true to you, I'm true to you. Oh yes, pretty lady, I'm coming home. And you take a trip around the Spragga zone. You take a trip around the Spragga zone. Won't you with my love? Can't you be my eye? You brighten up my life. Everything alright. You make me feel so nice. Oh yes, pretty lady, are you coming home?
Yeah, rum.
I like that means in there, I'm not.
They say you can't rum reach.
Like them at 10 minutes.
And condom, they say a condom.
Alright, when me have to put the condom in the back, is it? And think it's going to.
Where are the condom in that church?
And me have one.
You don't sell pasta.
Wait, Bekinta. I really have one cream crackers in there. So when you turn over, I don't fact that the one of the woman have in there. You know?
So who tell pa you?
One man that has some food, they come from them.
Informer.
You know me joke me like and the Danny man I go over and we call police. He say call him.
Yes.
Oh,
Call police man for what?
Someone kill
But the
him.
Bible never say you can't smoke ganja. You know when the Bible says so?
No, in the back me dog got church and me smoke man. Like the water man.
Lie them
Them wicked Doris. Them
Them
wicked.
not the wrong every
Then
Sunday.
Reese, I want to make people not like you, boy, man.
Me don't busy with them. Then go for them we have me come my way. That not tell you.
Then say you're bossy.
Power, me have me house and key and what.
Yeah, then.
Just to make a me that. Every time I go anywhere, I get sitting and can be hard. Them must see me garden yard just saying and make him the food.
Yeah.
So what you say me do?
Then say you're bossy and you're hype now.
Power.
I don't know what them are talking about. Must you true you're not paying a rent?
Then you come to me out of the house and take it. I didn't make him, I want to. Mark, so you know, say, no, then, wait. I must see you said and tell me man them for me in the church, you know.
Why church too?
Mark? Oh, you mean? Never to drink come out and coffee, never go out to drink come to church.
Don't go on like they hold it, don't you?
Me want to come fight. Me not fight in the church. Tell the man to come out and do it.
So long, you did have knife for you?
I have a knife shop, man.
In a church?
No bag.
So Reese,
No bag.
you know if you have a knife in a
No bag. I know
But-
me one there. I'll teach everybody now carry knife in a bag. I'm the one.
And that bag you have, you know, have in
Me no have no bag.
that bag and tell me come out the door.
Oh, you call him out the door, so if you mean come out, where you go do?
I told you that. I mean, I know. That's why she called me scam and they found them.
From his car and left down the mash up.
This coming left?
Scam and that boy not come out.
Nah, come on.
Me I say if you would wash a woman panty.
No, the washing machine, I should get a help. Me don't make me wash girl dress.
So
You was a blood up dress, a period dress. I just say uno. I uno bring no man.
Your
We don't wash dress. No. Our family.
So all if she take,
Helper.
so all you that take it off,
Take off what?
our panty.
A clean dress me I take off.
So we
I want to tell you say a long time. But tell you something. It's a girls, my lady me used to have, you know. Me not have to take off them clothes because them not sleep in a dress.
So Jerry,
My
me
woman
like
them
that
not
to
sleep in
You're
the dress.
supposed to wash panty.
No man, you sick man, something wrong with you man. Something wrong with you, you drink mad pussy piece.
If you wash panty,
Again.
so you think it's right for big woman mind young boy?
Hey, to all man shot. Woman a mind man. You know say woman a buy. Fuck.
You think so?
Oh, yeah, right in the Kingston 13 I have to pay for them fuck. And she win the cash back. Say I trust the fuck, so she got pay for it. Them money in the Kingston 13 now, no pay fuck for nobody. Nobody now give
So
free
you know
fuck.
nobody will buy it?
Yeah man. Whole heap of them by the hundreds. Woman.
I buy fuck.
Yeah, you know say woman.
So you think it's right for woman buy sex?
Well, I mean, if it were right, it were wrong, you know. Because if man shot, man shot, you know. Woman buy man. At woman time no